Light tubes are everywhere, but how do we get them to stay there? Lucky for you, Kupo's got solutions to rig your light tubes anywhere. The tube clamp with a 1/4 20 and 3/8 16 female threads is perfect for mounting anywhere you've got a male thread, like the top of this Kupo click stand. You can get a single clamp or the 2-pack. We've got a dual clamp attached to a super strong rubber-coated 66mm removable magnet. So you can put a tube anywhere you can stick a magnet. Lastly, we've got a dual clamp with a baby pin, a perfect match for grip heads and grip arms. The baby pin is removable, revealing a 1/4 20 thread with locating pins, so the pin won't twist out of place. All the clips are made from strong die-cast aluminum and support T12 LED tubes from 38 to 42 millimeters in diameter. And the single clip will support up to 4.4 pounds, while the duals will support a max of 7.7 pounds. They all have rubber pads to keep your precious lights secure.